Skadoosh.
It's been raining on and off.
It's
We want the
drizzling
rain
right
to
now.
stop. Please stop. Rain, stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully if we proceed quicker, we might avoid the rain.
Hopefully.
But
It said it will stop soon, hopefully.
we made it to Gulf Road. That's where we're at right now in Dalton, Massachusetts. So I'm trying to get Cody. There he is. He's all covered up.
Yes,
all right,
ma'am.
let's get back on the trail.
Let's do this.
Talk to you in a few. We got some history here. The Finch House has been placed on the National Register of Historical Places in 2010 by the United States Department of Interior. I want to go look in.
1846.
Do I get in trouble for looking in? I don't think you can really see in. Let's see. I'm on the steps. Oh, it's a little museum. It's probably not open though. But it's a little museum inside. Pretty cool. Alright, me and Cody just got off the trail back there. We're hiking on.
Get on his bike.
We gotta go through this little town. Yeah, this little old man. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like their yard. It's very pretty. They have a lot of flowers. Supposedly there's a hotel up here. 1.2 miles. We're gonna hike on. I think we're going to West Key, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. Shelter. Alright.
Give me 3.
We'll be back. Bye.
All right. We're still in Dalton. We're crossing a bridge right now. I think we have probably point something left. How much we got left? We don't know. But either way, it's not too far. Hopefully. I just want to get back on trail. What else? A lot of kids in this town.
It's a pretty little town.
Very nice town. Dalton.
Alright, we gotta cross.
Cross. Alright. Cross. Alright. Here we go. Little towns, little areas to eat. What? No, I'm chilling. Little catering, food, ice cream. Ooh.
Ice cream is the ice cream.
A little, what is this? Doggy grooming area. Tanning. Ooh. I'm gonna eat that after. Public house. Pub? Ah, never mind. Pub. Oh. Automotive. Ooh.
Alright.
We're doing it.
Getting back on trail. That sounds loud.
So I think that's water. Get him back. Alright. Well, I guess I'll speak to you guys when we record again. Peace.
There goes Cody. We are walking. Possibly. All right. Whoops. What did I touch? Look how pretty. I don't even know if you can see. Let me undo. Look how pretty. The rocks. We're gonna hit 2,000 elevation. And we're gonna go to our campsite. We're gonna camp, whatever you wanna call it. Set up our tent. And that's it. Yay. All right, let's see. Cody?
He's tired. But we got this. Light work.
Like work. Peace. This is why we hike. For things like this. It's so beautiful. There's a stream. There's Cody. We're making it over this little stream area. Pretty cool. There's a little waterfall looking thing over here. So pretty. Wow. It's so beautiful. Keep on going. That's a lot of water. This would be a good place to fill up on water, but we're ready to get to camp. And to untake everything out of our pack would be a pain in the butt. But this has to be a beautiful place, I have to say. All right, we're going to camp. We're 0.7 away from camp. Here we go. Let's make it. Cody's sitting on the bridge. We're about to cross over it. Cody's looking cute.
Oh,
Yeah, the little bridge.
0.5.
0.5 to go.